Sound native. 4 advanced uses of the present continuous. Today you will learn 4 advanced uses of the present continuous that native speakers use all the time. By the end, you will sound more natural, more emotional, and more fluent when you talk about change, routines, stories, and behavior. The basic idea of the present continuous is an action in progress around now. For example, I'm talking to you. She's working. They're studying. But English speakers use it in richer ways. Let's look at 4 powerful patterns. Use 1. Gradual change or development. We use the present continuous to describe gradual change, trends, or developments over time. The situation is not static, it is slowly changing. The climate is getting warmer. People are becoming less tolerant of smoking these days. Her English is improving. My city is becoming more crowded. Rents are increasing every year. The neighborhood is getting noisier. These are not just about this exact moment. They describe a process that is in progress and may continue into the future. The climate is getting warmer. The warming process is still happening. Temperatures are continuing to rise over time. Her English is improving. Her English is in the process of getting better. She hasn't reached a final level yet. Now compare. The climate is getting warmer. The climate has gotten warmer. In the first one, change is in progress. In the second one, the climate is already warmer now than before. The change has happened over time, and we see the result now. Her English is improving. Her English has improved. In the first one, improvement is in progress. In the second one, her English is better now than before. The improvement happened over a period, and the result is visible now. Think about your life or your city. Make one sentence with this pattern, for example. More people are working from home these days. Public transport is getting more expensive every year. Use 2. Repeated actions around now. Temporary routines. Now move from change to routine, but not a permanent habit. We use the present continuous for actions that are repeated in a limited period around now as a temporary pattern. Contrast. Permanent habit. Simple present. I go to the gym 3 times a week. This is your usual long-term routine. Temporary repeated action. Present continuous. I'm going to the gym a lot these days. Just for this period, not forever. More examples. We're eating out more often lately. There is a temporary change in our routine. Right now, during this period, we go to restaurants more than usual. I'm reading a lot of crime novels at the moment. I'm reading crime novels now because I'm on vacation, or because I'm really interested in them this month, but it's not my permanent habit. Mini scenario. Imagine you are preparing for an important exam. Your routine changes temporarily. I'm studying every evening these days. I'm drinking a lot of coffee lately. These are not permanent habits, but they are repeated actions around now. Think of a temporary routine in your life. Use these days, lately, or at the moment. Lately, I'm listening to a lot of podcasts. These days, I'm drinking a lot of coffee. At the moment, I'm studying in the library every evening. Use 3. Background action in stories and commentary. A. Spoken stories. Narration. In informal stories, especially spoken ones, English speakers often use the present continuous to create a feeling of live action, even if the story happened in the past. Example story. So I'm walking down the street, right? I'm minding my own business, and suddenly this guy comes up to me and starts shouting. People are staring, cars are honking, and I'm just standing there thinking, what is going on? Here, the present continuous sets the background. I'm walking down the street. People are staring, cars are honking. It sounds more immediate and dramatic than I walked down the street or people were staring. Structure. Start with, so I'm, plus action. Add more continuous verbs for background. Use simple present or simple past for key events. Suddenly, this guy comes up to me. Short practice. Begin a story. So I'm sitting in a meeting, I'm checking my notes, and suddenly, finish the story in your head using the present continuous for background actions. B. Live commentary. In sports or live commentaries, both simple present and present continuous are common. Simple present for quick completed actions. Jackson passes to Carter. Carter makes a quick pass to Davis. Present continuous for longer, ongoing actions. Jackson is running with the ball. He's losing his advantage. The present continuous here describes actions in progress at the moment of speaking. Use for strong emotions with always, constantly, forever. We use the present continuous with adverbs like always, constantly, continually, forever, perpetually, repeatedly, to show strong feelings about repeated behavior. The feeling can be negative or positive. Negative, Oyal's annoyed tone. Boss talking to an employee. He's always coming late to work. Mom to teenage son. You're constantly leaving the lights on. Tired neighbor complaining to a friend. Our neighbor's dog is always barking for no reason. These sentences show frustration or complaint, not just frequency. Compare. Our neighbor's dog is always barking for no reason. Our neighbor's dog always barks for no reason. Our neighbor's dog has always barked for no reason. Present continuous, annoyed complaint. Simple present. Neutral, descriptive fact about a present habit. Present perfect. This habit started a long time ago and has continued up to now. It sounds like, ever since we've known this dog, this has been its behavior, and it's still true now. Present perfect focuses on the whole period from the past until now, often when you are talking about history, background, or how long this has been true. Positive, praising tone. He's always bringing snacks for everyone at work. You're constantly finding solutions to difficult problems. They're forever volunteering in the local community. Compare. He's always bringing snacks for everyone at work. He always brings snacks for everyone at work. Present continuous, more emotional, positive. Present simple, neutral or factual, like a description of what he usually does, without strong emotion. Contrast with simple present. Simple present, neutral. He is always late. Fact, neutral or mildly negative. Present continuous, stronger emotion. He's always coming late. More emotional, more critical. Even some stative verbs can appear in this pattern. For example, I'm always hearing strange stories about him. Quick reminder, a stative verb describes a state or condition, not an action. For example, know, believe, love, need, hear, seem, own, etc. Think of one behavior that annoys you and one you admire. Use this structure. My neighbor is always making noise at night. My friend is always checking in on me. Bonus. Future plans with present continuous. One more common use is future arrangements, especially when plans are fixed. We're flying to New York next week. This focuses on a planned, arranged future, often with an adverbial of time. It is very common with travel verbs. We're flying to New York next week sounds like a fixed arrangement, tickets booked, dates decided, and is the more natural choice for a concrete plan. We will fly to New York next week states a future decision or prediction and feels less like a scheduled arrangement, often used when the plan is being decided at the moment of speaking or in a more formal style. Be careful. Context and time expressions show whether it is present or future. Look, the train's leaving. Right now, it is moving. The train's leaving at 7:30 tomorrow. Future arrangement. Quick recap of the 4 advanced uses. One, Gradual change or development. The climate is getting warmer. Repeated actions around now. Temporary routines. I'm going to the gym a lot these days. Background action in stories and commentary. So I'm walking down the street, I'm listening to music, and suddenly. 4. Strong emotions with always, constantly, forever. He's always complaining. She's always helping people. Follow for more nuanced grammar tips that will help you sound truly natural in English.